Here's my barn. Let's check it out. Little tour of my barn bathroom. Took a galvanized paint trough bucket, wherever you want to call it. Drilled a hole, made a sink out of it. Give it that rustic barn look. Concrete countertops I poured out in the shop part. Use some melamine, pour them upside down, bring it in here. I've done several of those. I built a vanity, nothing fancy. Inset a piece of metal so we tie into the sub part up here. 1x6 tongue and groove wood ceiling. New shower door I put in just the other day. And oh, hello, yep, urinal. Well, see, part of this is the living quarters, the other part is my shop. So that's just, I always wanted a urinal whenever I built the shop. So there you have it. Little tour. I do have some radiant heat in here as well.